Welcome to motorcycle racing. In the world of speed, power, and precision, only a few machines rise above the rest. These aren't just motorcycles, they are purebred racing beasts, engineered to dominate tracks and push human limits to the extreme. Welcome to the countdown of the top 10 racing motorbikes in the world. Each one of these superbikes is a masterpiece of engineering, a fusion of raw horsepower, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and racing heritage. Today, we explore their history, design, performance, and what makes them legends on the track. Buckle up, because this is going to be one high-octane ride. 1. Ducati Panigale V4 R. We begin our journey with a monster from Italy, the Ducati Panigale V4 R. Ducati is already known as the Ferrari of the motorcycle world, and the V4R takes that reputation to the next level. This superbike isn't just fast, it's a weapon built for MotoGP-inspired performance. With a 998cc V4 engine producing around 221 horsepower, the Panigale V4R is a machine that feels alive beneath the rider. Its aerodynamic winglets, aggressive bodywork, and feather-light chassis make it razor-sharp on the corners. On the track, it's a symphony of speed, Italian passion, and engineering precision. When you ride a Panigale V4R, you don't just ride a bike, you experience a storm of adrenaline, with every twist of the throttle sounding like a war cry. 2. Yamaha YZF R1M. From Italy, we jump to Japan, where Yamaha has gifted the world the legendary YZF R1M. This bike is not just a machine, it's a direct descendant of Yamaha's MotoGP technology. Introduced as the premium variant of the famous R1, the R1M is all about race-ready performance. Its 998cc crossplane engine delivers not only power but also unmatched smoothness. The electronic systems on this bike are like something out of a sci-fi movie: slide control, launch control, quick shifters, and dynamic traction, all tuned for professional racing. Its carbon fiber body panels and Öhlins electronic suspension make it a true beast on the track. When the R1M screams down a straight at 300 km per hour, the sound is nothing less than a thunderstorm tearing across the sky. 3. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10RR. Next up, we have the green monster, Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10RR. Kawasaki has always been about aggression and dominance, and the ZX-10RR is proof of that legacy. This bike is a limited edition, race-focused evolution of the ZX-10R, built for one purpose: victory. Its 998cc inline-4 engine is tuned to perfection, delivering fierce acceleration and mind-bending top speeds. The aerodynamic winglets and sharp styling scream, "Race bike," from every angle. What makes the ZX-10RR iconic is its championship pedigree. This bike has been a cornerstone in World Superbike Championships, carrying riders like Jonathan Rea to multiple world titles. The Ninja ZX-10RR isn't just a motorcycle, it's Kawasaki's battle cry in the world of racing. 4. BMW M1000RR. From Germany, we bring the engineering precision of BMW, the M1000RR. BMW has always been synonymous with luxury and innovation, but when they put the M badge on a motorcycle, they created something truly extraordinary. The M1000RR is the first ever BMW motorcycle to earn the prestigious M designation, which is reserved for their most extreme performance machines. Underneath its aerodynamic body lies a 999cc inline-4 engine pumping out 212 horsepower. But it's not just about raw numbers. The M1000RR comes with winglets, advanced electronics, and high-performance brakes that make it a true track dominator. Every detail is designed to shave milliseconds off lap times. When you see a BMW M1000RR tearing across a circuit, it's like watching a bullet in motion, fast, precise, and unstoppable. 5. Honda CBR1000RRR Fireblade SP. Completing the first half of our list is the legendary Honda Fireblade SP. For decades, the Fireblade name has been a symbol of precision, balance, and racing excellence. The latest CBR1000RRR SP version takes this reputation into overdrive. With a 999cc inline-4 engine producing over 214 horsepower, it's one of the most powerful superbikes on the planet. Honda worked directly with its MotoGP team to give the Fireblade a chassis and aerodynamic package worthy of World Championship circuits. Its electronic systems are cutting edge, ensuring every ounce of power is delivered with surgical accuracy. For riders, the Fireblade SP feels like an extension of their own body, responsive, smooth, and dangerously fast. It's not just a motorcycle, it's Honda's way of saying, this is what perfection feels like on two wheels. We've seen 5 of the most incredible racing machines in the world, each one a masterpiece of engineering and design. But we're only halfway through this journey. Coming up next, we explore 5 more superbikes that have redefined the limits of speed and power. From Suzuki to Triumph, the ride is only going to get faster and fiercer. Stay tuned for part 2 of the countdown of the top 10 racing motorbikes in the world. Suzuki GSX-R 1000R. At number 6, we have a true icon in the world of sport bikes, the Suzuki GSX-R 1000R. For decades, the GSX-R series has been nicknamed the Gixxer, and it has dominated both street racing culture and professional circuits. The GSX-R 1000R is the crown jewel of Suzuki's superbike lineup. Its 999cc inline-4 engine is engineered for blistering acceleration and razor-sharp precision on corners. What sets this bike apart is Suzuki's dedication to balance. It's not just about speed, but also control, agility, and reliability. The advanced electronics package, including motion track traction control and launch control, gives the rider the confidence to unleash its full fury. When you watch a GSX-R 1000R streak down the track, it's like a missile locked onto its target, unstoppable, precise, and built for glory. 7. Aprilia RS V4 1100 Factory. From Italy comes another masterpiece, the Aprilia RS V4 1100 Factory. Aprilia has always been a dark horse in the racing world, surprising giants with its incredible performance. The RS V4 1100 Factory is the ultimate evolution of their racing DNA. Powered by a 1078cc V4 engine, this superbike produces over 217 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful production bikes on the planet. Its advanced aerodynamics, including winglets and MotoGP-inspired design, keep it glued to the track even at terrifying speeds. But what truly defines the RS V4 1100 is its soul. It feels raw, visceral, and untamed. It doesn't just ride the track, it devours it. For riders, it's an emotional experience. Every roar of the engine, every lean into a corner feels like dancing with danger and beauty at the same time. 8. KTM RC8C. At number 8, we encounter the Austrian beast, the KTM RC8C. Unlike many superbikes that double as street-legal machines, the RC8C is a pure racing prototype built for track warriors. This limited edition machine is powered by an 889cc parallel twin engine, delivering around 128 horsepower, but don't be fooled by the numbers. What makes the RC8C lethal is its ultra-lightweight frame and razor-sharp handling. Every inch of this bike is crafted with one mission: dominate corners and cut lap times. KTM has stripped away everything unnecessary, leaving only pure racing DNA. Riding the RC8C is not about cruising, it's about precision, courage, and pushing yourself to the very edge of performance. It's the definition of a race-only weapon. 9. MV Agusta F4 RC. Coming in at number 9, we have a motorcycle that is more than just a machine, it's a work of art. The MV Agusta F4 RC. Few bikes in the world combine design, heritage, and performance the way MV Agusta does. The F4 RC, with its Italian craftsmanship, looks like it belongs in a museum, but make no mistake, it belongs on the track. Its 998cc inline-4 engine pumps out up to 212 horsepower, and with race kit upgrades, it becomes an unstoppable force. The F4 RC is limited, rare, and exotic. Every detail from its sculpted fairings to its racing exhaust screams exclusivity. Riding this bike is like holding the reins of a wild stallion. It demands respect, precision, and total focus. For collectors and racers alike, the MV Agusta F4 RC is the definition of elegance fused with brutality. 10. Triumph Daytona Moto 2765. Finally, at number 10, we arrive at the Triumph Daytona Moto 2765. Unlike the leader-class monsters we've seen so far, the Daytona is built on a different philosophy. Instead of chasing outrageous horsepower numbers, Triumph focused on agility, balance, and Moto2 championship technology. With a 765cc 3-cylinder engine producing around 128 horsepower, the Daytona Moto2 is lighter, more nimble, and built to replicate the feel of Moto2 race bikes. It's limited edition, crafted with premium components, and designed for riders who value precision over brute force. On the track, the Daytona Moto 2 dances through corners, carrying incredible speed without losing control. It's the kind of bike that reminds us racing isn't always about raw numbers, it's about connection, skill, and pure riding joy.